She moves like the ocean tide. Caught in your rhythm, I'm losing control. You're a storm and silk, I'm under your soul. Moonlight drips off your skin so slow. Every glance you give, it burns like gold. You talk with your eyes, I can't resist. Every word's a wave, I can't dismiss. Touch so sweet, it's dangerous bliss. Heaven feels close when you do this. You pull me deeper, I can't escape. Your love's a breaks, no breaks, no breaks. The night's alive, my heart's awake. You move, I fade, deny your way. Slow hurricane, pull me through the fire. Every step we take feeds the desire. Whisper my name, light up the sky. We break the rules, just you and I. Slow hurricane, spin me again. Lost in your eyes, I don't want the end. Your body speaks, no need for words. We write our love in hidden chords. Your perfume lingers, time stands still. Heartbeat sings with the beat I feel. Every move like a silent thrill. Gravity bends, we climb that hill. The city fades, it's just our tune. Two lost souls under the silver moon. If this is sin, I don't need grace, just the warmth of your face. Soft rain falls, you pull me near. Every whisper louder than fear. Like thunder, soft and insane. Your lips, the calm inside the rain. Slow hurricane,